Can we go around this one? Oh, nice. Sleeping is sitting on the in.
Oh, they dismounted in the south. They dismounted in the south.
He's in the Abelis and the mouse. No, only the mouse.
Oh, you want me to stay? Okay, yeah.
They're coming up. They're coming up. They're coming up.
Yeah, they're walking up.
Dong.
Wrap up on the stones, okay? They engage on stones, I can feel. So
They're ready, I think.
they said R guys, don't do anything, bro. Just sweep in the Abelis, sweep
I'm
before
coming to that at your kill.
start spreading
Yeah.
out. DPS ready on me inside the pass in 3, 2, 1 hit inside the pass, inside the pass. Spread out now, spread out. Defensive.
Brawl their healers, guys. Brawl their healers.
Find the crown, guys. Ready engagement again on the crown, guys. Find the crown, guys. Find the crown. On me in 3. Oh, I miss. 2, 1, just hit on crown here. Big here. Hit the crown here. Gonna spread out. Pop your giga portion. Pop your portion, bro. Pop your portion. Last attack. Don't clamp, bro. Don't clamp. Stabilize here. Come here. Come to ping.
Heal on me. Low.
Come to ping, guys. Come to ping. Engage on me,
Who
guys.
are you?
DPS ready? Ready on the ground. Guys, look on the ground, guys. Come here. Find the ground. On me in 3, 2, 1, hit on ground on this side. Too far, bro. Spread out. Spread. Yeah, just brawl them, bro. Just brawl them. They will engage. The mate is looking. Nice. Defensive. Okay, find the ground now. Find the ground. Hit inside the fast. Hit inside the fast in 3, 2, 1, hit inside the fast. Everyone is here, bro. Come on, bro. Kill him. Catch them all, bro. Don't let them run. Catch them all. Is that they're still fighting? Okay.
They're gonna run.
5 seconds.
Careful.
5 seconds on me. DPS.
They're clumping.
DPS.
Here.
On me. DPS. Find the walking
They're
bridge.
scramming. They're scramming.
On me.
Yeah. He's
Okay, hit on ground in 2, 1, hit on ground. Delete this. Yeah, catch everyone, bro. They're running now. Catch everyone. Come to me. Kill this healer. Come to me. I need 1 people